Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Are you one of the many individuals living with diabetes who often finds themselves craving a late-night snack? Managing your blood sugar levels at bedtime can be challenging, but it's essential for your overall health and quality of sleep. In this article, we'll explore top 5 best delicious and diabetes friendly bedtime snacks that can help keep your blood sugar in check while satisfying those nighttime cravings. Wait, before exploring a variety of delicious and diabetes friendly bedtime snacks, I introduce you with MetaFast, which will help you to manage blood sugar level naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Chia pudding. Chia seeds mixed with unsweetened almond milk and a touch of vanilla extract. Sliced apples with almond butter. Thinly sliced apples with a side of almond butter. Greek yogurt with berries. A small serving of plain Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries. String cheese. A stick of low-fat string cheese. Cottage cheese with cinnamon. Cottage cheese sprinkled with cinnamon. Remember to monitor portion sizes and consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist for personalized advice on managing diabetes through diet. These snacks can be a part of a balanced diabetic diet, but individual tolerance to certain foods may vary. Weight. Want to control blood sugar level? Watch the secret video link in the video description. The link will delete it in few days and never up in this video. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.